Sarap ng fries. Ano, you're gonna be in the freaking reeling. So good. O Ginoo ko, wag mo akong tingnan, sir. No, Alabama is in the US, but it's in the US, but this is the boy.
You live right next door to Alabama. The bird machine. Check.
We got Popeyes. The Popeyes. And because I cannot eat chicken here, so what we're gonna eat is the fries. Yung fries sa Popeyes, guys. It's big.
Keep you busy while I go to CBS.
Huh?
Huh?
Why are you going to CBS, son?
Bills.
I'm hungry, hon.
Bills. We got food. We got napkins.
Oh, you don't get the big Popeyes. I don't like the fries, big fries.
Why?
Huh?
What's the matter with these fries?
The big fries, you have that whole tomato.
Potato wedges?
Yeah, I don't like that.
That's not Popeyes.
What is that?
I don't like it. They're too potatoey.
Yeah. This is good. Popeyes fries good. They have the seasoning in the fries that the season in the chicken.
It smells good.
Yeah. Wow. I'm going to do mukbang with just the thing. The hard thing is I don't have rice.
I would have got you dirty rice.
That means I will cook rice quick. There. There's half. But the plan is you're going to the house, but I guess not. Yeah, here it comes. For some reason, God forbid, there's always an accident here on this road. Always cops.
At this exit.
Huh?
At this exit.
Where is that one?
I don't know. Seems like every 40.
Sarap. Sarap ng fries. Ano, you're gonna be in the freaking reeling. What the frick?
There's no railing, there's no wall.
Wall. You're not gonna exit here?
Yes.
Oh. France itu, right? We're already exiting, and exiting. Oh my god. Exiting. Red light. Why they put red light here?
So those guys can go.
What is that exit over there? Going to back to 95?
Towards Connecticut.
Going to Connecticut? Welcome to downtown. Downtown over here, downtown here. I think this is more downtown here. Look at this car stopping over there.
Trying to figure out which way we wanted to go.
I don't know how they.
That's why I said, look, a portion of your search was successful, but Igloo did not match anything. So it is only ice maker parts, and not igloo ice maker parts.
I put igloo ice maker.
I know. It says a portion of your search was successful, but igloo didn't match it.
Also, there's no igloo shit in there. I wanna eat some chicken. I wanna eat some chicken. That's a nice car. Oh, that's why. It's Mercedes. Oh, I think this is the Spisa. I'll eat the Spisa chicken. Mukbang in that car. Oh my god, hon. Nagka-uwil-uwil na akong gasuot, guys. Ito yung mangyayari kapag gutom ka. So good, eh? So good. Mukbang pa mo. Sarap, eh? Wala. You found it?
No.
Are you going alone?
I guess.
Yeah, I'm eating. You just pick up the thing, right?
Yeah, it's all.
Okay, I'll stay here, okay?
Yeah. You don't need anything in here while I'm in here?
I need every makeup in there.
Huh?
No, I'm good. Asking me is a wrong thing. Don't ask me. Yeah. This is so weird. Pag may kakita sa akin dito kumakain ko at may camera, anong bayhana ito? Anong klase itong bayhana to? Pinifilm niya yung sarili niya kumakain. Sarap. Pag lumabas na yung asawa ko, guys, wala na tong chicken tapos. Okay, mag-stop akong kumain dahil may taong nakatingin. Ba't kayo tingin-tingin? Huwag kayong tingin ba? Naulaw na ko. Tingin pa more. Kain pa ako isa, guys. Isa na lang. Oh, may tao na naman. Nahihiya na naman ako nito. Nahihiya na naman ako. Huwag niyo akong tignan. Tingin-tingin pa more. Oh, naku, Ginoo ko. Huwag mo akong tignan, sir. Gusto kong kumain pero hindi pwede dahil may tao nakatingin sa akin. Yung sasakyan sa atubang ko ba? Yung sasakyan sa atubang ko ba? Nagtumatanaw yung driver. Nakakahiya naman ito. Kain tayo! Guys, I don't have a rice. Wala akong rice ngayon, guys. So, umiiyak yung puso ko, guys. My heart is aching.
What?
There's no rice, so we're just gonna have some string beans. String beans. Yung niluluto ko. Chicken's really good. You didn't have a string beans?
Not right now.
Louisiana. If you go to Louisiana, everything is fried. You know, America bought Alabama. What? Guam. Guam is a US though. I don't know that, huh? That Guam is a US. It's America. It's in Asia. America bought it.
Okay.
I saw it on TV last night. Alabama too. It's part of it. They bought Alabama.
Huh?
Alabama or Louisiana. No, Alabama is in the US, but it's in the US. But they said they bought it.
You live right next door to Alabama.
Yeah, but they said they bought it. Some area of here in the United States, some states, they bought it long time ago. Wow. I saw it in the history last night TV. I've been watching. We have to research it online, guys. Alabama ba yun or Louisiana? Not Louisiana. Alabama. Sarap ng chicken. It's so juicy, guys. Guys. No. That's the leg. And I have thighs. Thighs? Yeah, thighs. So crunchy. Wow, so good. Is it juicy, right? Yeah. Kaiba talaga, guys, pag walang rice. Ay, nako. The rice makes everything different. Makes everything perfect. Tama, you don't think so? Rice is make everything complete. Say what you want. Say what you want. Say what you think. Say what you think. Yes, every time I give Tammy.
Staple.
The same thing with you guys, pasta. But rice is everything to us. Tammy, every time I give Tammy a white rice, no nothing, it's just a white rice. You know what he put on top, guys? Mustard, Italian dressing. Something wrong. They ruined the rice. But he liked his Spanish rice because it's already something in it, like, I don't know. Spanish rice, you put some sofrito, that round thing.
Olives.
The other one, chickpeas. Chickpeas I like.
Onion, garlic.
I like his rice, but the plain rice is always the best. That's why it's plain, because for example, if you have a chicken soup, chicken, pork, lechon, it's tasty, so it's combination. Tasteless and the taste very tasty side.
At least you admit it tasteless.
It's really not, isn't it? But we love it, huh? For example, guys, if you eat jasmine rice is different, right? You can smell the smell.
Jasmine.
Yeah, it's so good. And the texture of the rice is so different. It's hamloy ba kung sa Bisaya pa hamloy. Pag NFE, gahi tunlon. Okay guys, I'm going. Bye guys. Bye. Bye guys. Bye.
I guess she left her clothes and stuff there, hopefully.
She didn't bring any there.
She didn't bring any there?
Huh?
She didn't bring any there?
No, I mean she doesn't bring back here.
So she left them there?
There is here, yeah.
So they need to be washed?
Okay. Tapusin ko lang to, guys. Are you freaking kidding me? You don't know how to drive, but that's how you pronounce it.